Hi and welcome to this course. This course is aimed for people that use Excel for the majority of their working day. It's definitely not aimed at those beginners that doesn't know Excel yet. I assume in this course you already know Excel. If you're trying to find out more about Excel, this would be the course for you. If you think this course will be too advanced for you, I would suggest maybe just looking through these videos so you're at least aware of what Excel is capable of, and as you get ready to use some of these functionalities in the future, you can always come back and rewatch parts of these videos. If you think you already know, maybe watch one or two videos and then only decide. Lesson 30 is a bonus lesson where I look at a lot of Excel tips and tricks and some advanced functionalities. If you're not sure where this course is for you, maybe start there and then you can decide. When the videos are a bit longer, you'll see in the description below, I've put in timestamps to the different parts of the video. This will help you navigate through the videos, and if you come back later to looking for a specific topic, it will be easier to find. In a lot of these lessons, I refer to other lessons. If this happens, in the top right hand corner of your screen, you will find a link to the other lesson so you can conveniently navigate there. This course is based on my book, which you'll find in the description below. You do not need the book for the course. In the book, the material is simply printed and there is some exercises in the book. The material in this course should work for all versions of Excel. I've been using it since Excel 2010, and you'll see this videos were shot in Office 365. I would appreciate it if you could subscribe to my channel. My channel is dedicated to working with information on data on your desktop, and in that case Excel is a prime tool for this, and this is why I started with this course. Thank you for your time and enjoy the course.